Andonstar, established in 2013, is a manufacturer and trader specialized in the research, development, and production of digital microscopes. During this 10 years, we have soldering digital microscope, HDMI microscope, USB digital microscope, kids digital microscope, etc. There are more than 50 employees in Andonstar team. We also have a modern standard factory. Let's look back on our 10 years. In the past 10 years, we have participated in many exhibitions in China. More and more customers know and recognize our brand and products. To celebrate the 10th anniversary, Andonstar organized a team-building tour activity. The destination is Zhuhai Chimelong Ocean Kingdom. This is an unforgettable weekend for us. On October 18th, Andonstar held a 10th anniversary dinner party. Mr. Liu gave a speech to take us back to the past 10 years and look forward to the future. We had a great chat during dinner, which enhanced team cohesion. This is Andonstar's 10-year journey. The future is bright. Thanks for everyone in Andonstar team. Thanks for everyone who always supports us. You are the key to our success. Let's move into the next decade.